Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Molly May Beauty Works Curl Kit collaboration. I was so excited to get this. I was eyeing it up for the longest time, and since we are in lockdown, I decided just to get it and treat myself. So I'm going to show you how I curl my hair with it, what it all includes. Yeah, so let's just get started. Okay, so the actual kit itself comes with this curler. It's got the on button, higher heat and lower heat as well. I have it on 220, that's the highest heat setting. You also get this Molly May Beauty Works brush, which is really good. It's really nice and soft, and it just goes through the hair really easily. Then inside the actual box, you get the heat protectant glove. You get 10 of these clips for pinning your curls, and then you get the heat protectant bag and mat, which has got a place for your brush and all your clips to clip onto, as well as a little zippy pouch here for any other things like your heat sprays and stuff like that. So I have already sprayed some heat protectant spray on my hair. Okay, so here we are just brushing through our hair to make sure we've got all the knots and tangles out of it. Next I'm just going to split it into two different sections just to make it easier to curl the actual hair. Now I'm just going to take a section from the top part and start curling. I hold this roughly for 15 seconds to get the best result. So we're just going to repeat that motion all around our head. I'll start on this side first and then move on to the second side. You get 10 clips with the kit, so you have plenty to use for your whole head. I always curl facing away from my head, as I find this gives me the best result, but feel free to play around with it and just see what works best for you. So as you can see, I'm just carrying on with the similar motion, having a bit of an issue there with the cable around my head. It's such a great barrel because it's for like extensions and things like that, so it's really long and it fits all your hair on it. Yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and repeat the process for the whole head, and yeah, see where we end up. Wow, the face of concentration if I've ever seen one. That one wasn't playing ball. Okay, so you'll now see me popping on the heat protectant glove because the first couple of curls were pretty hot, hotter than I expected, so definitely I would recommend using your heat protective glove. I'm not quite too sure who I think I am here with the posing, but yeah. The semi-finished look. We're just gonna let this sit for a little bit. I would typically like maybe do my makeup whilst I was doing this, give them a good hairspray so they all sit in place, and then once you're happy that they've all cooled down, you're just gonna want to take them out, and we'll see how we look. And there we go, big bouncy curls. So that's the finished look. Yeah, so you can either leave them like that if you're happy with that, or you can take your brush that comes with the kit and you can just give them a little brush out so they're a bit more looser and kind of beachy. I quite like them how they are just now, so I'm just gonna leave them like that. I think the curl kit's really easy to use, super beginner friendly. As you can see from the clip, I wasn't the best at pinning the curls. I got a bit tangled here, so it just takes practice, but overall I think they're well worth the money. They give you lovely curls, and the clips are such a good extra as well. The heat glove is essential. As you'll see, I didn't use it for the first two, and then I did because when you were catching them they were quite hot in your hand when you were pinning them up. But yeah, overall love the curl kit. Would totally recommend, and we'll be using this loads and loads once we're out of lockdown for my hair. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you want to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave any comments below, and we'll speak to you soon. Thank you.